With a rich culture and interesting history, alongside vibrant cities and stunning scenery, there are many reasons to visit Poland. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we look at how to visit Poland on a budget. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. So firstly, let's look at ways to save money on accommodation. There are plenty of hostels to choose from in Poland, with Krakow being home to some fantastic options. Dorm beds can be found from as little as $5 and are a great option for solo travellers on a budget. If you are looking to stay in more rural areas of Poland, homestays and farm stays are inexpensive and a popular option in the country. If you are looking to book a hotel, avoid the big chains and opt for the local hotels. You can get some fantastic deals if you look just slightly further away from the city centres. So now let's look at getting around. There are many train routes available in Poland, but they are not as extensive and much more expensive than the bus system. Bus companies have a lot of competition between them, meaning prices are reasonable. Flixbus is the main operator in Poland, so check them out if you are looking to travel across the country. Carpooling is also a popular option in Poland. The website BlaBlaCar has grown in popularity over recent years and can be used to find cheap ride-sharing options. All you have to do is search your route and travel dates to share a ride with a local who is driving that same journey. Once you are in the cities, bike-sharing apps are also a great way to get around. You can rent a bike for free to ride for around 20 minutes at a time, and there is a small fee for each hour after that. So now let's talk about saving money on food and drink. So a big way to save money on food and drink in Poland is by visiting food spots known as milk bars. These are cafeteria styled, with a tray service and often delicious food for cheap prices. Popular orders available include homemade soups, meaty dishes and local beer. Alternatively, when you are in the bigger cities and you're looking for a place to eat, try to avoid the restaurants with picture menus. Picture menus means they are catering towards the tourists who don't speak the language, and therefore the food is often more expensive. Avoid drinking too much in Krakow as well. Although it does have fantastic nightlife options, those pub crawl prices can add up. Keep your drinking down to a minimum. So now let's look at sightseeing. So whilst in Poland, the first way to save money on sightseeing is by taking a free walking tour. These are available in most cities and offer you a chance to see and learn more about the sites for free. For example, taking a free walking tour in Warsaw can take you around the historic centre, the street art districts, or you can take a Warsaw at War tour, learning about the history and brutality of the war and how it affected the population of this city. Another way to save some money on sightseeing in Warsaw and Krakow is to get a city pass. Save money on attractions and museums in your chosen destination by picking up one of these passes. Watch this video to learn about the things to know before you visit Poland. Then, to learn about other cheap destinations in Europe, watch this video. We hope you have an amazing time in Poland. Let us know in the comments below which destination you are most looking forward to visiting. Have a great time and stay creative.